Hi, I'm Priyani, Senior Beauty Therapist and Makeup Artist here at Eclipse Hair Design and Day Spa. I want to talk to you about products many people use every day, sunscreen or sunblock. We all rely on sunscreens to help prevent sunburn and to reduce the risk of skin cancer, early sign of aging, wrinkle caused by the sun. I recommend using a broad spectrum sunscreen, and which means it protects you from UVA and UVB sun rays. It should SPF value of 15 or more. Also, you have to apply sunscreen 20 minutes earlier before you go into sun, and do not forget reapply every 2 hours. Keep your mind to use sun protections every day, even if it's cloudy, rainy, gloomy, doesn't matter. In addition, you have to concern ingredients of product and update label for yourself. Additional step to protect your skin. Stay out of the sun at peak times. Seek shades and wear protective clothing, hats and sunglasses. Thank you and stay safe.